How to find and see your transaction history on blizzardbattle.net on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to blizzard.com, log into your account from here and click on account settings. It will take you directly to this page. Now right here you will find many settings as you can see. All what you have to do is click here on transaction history. As you can see, you will find your purchases from here, and also the gifts claims and the in-game currency. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the very end. See you later, and thank you for watching until the end. Thank you so much.